Now, you're probably used to printing off assignments from home or at school. All you need is a computer and a printer. But imagine being able to print off something you've drawn in 3D. Well, that's already happening, and now more and more schools and businesses are taking advantage of 3D printing. Here's Tash.
Imagine being able to scan your entire body, from your head to your toes, to your eyes and ears. Then being able to print off a 3D plastic model of yourself.
This is so cool.
Well, 3D printing is something that's already happening around the world, and it could one day become part of our everyday lives. 3D printing is a type of manufacturing. It allows you to make a three-dimensional object using a computer, some software, and a 3D printer. It works in a similar way to a normal printer, but instead of printing lines with ink, it creates a 3D object layer by layer using materials like plastic, glass, and metal. Let's take a look at how they work.
So this is SolidWorks, which is a 3D drawing program, and you can draw pretty much any shape on here, and once you've got your design set, you import it into this program, and then when you're ready to print it to the 3D printer, you just go and print.
So how long does that take roughly?
This could take 6 to 7 weeks sometimes, wow. So it's quite a few lessons in class.
So this is the 3D printer. Right now it's just making a base for the object. The plastic goes through the nozzle where it heats up and melts, and then the nozzle moves forward and backwards and side to side, making the shape.
And how long will that take?
This product will probably take about an hour, but yeah. You know, you can make whatever you want with whatever detail you need, and it takes a longer or shorter amount of time.
Cool. And once the printer's finished doing its job, this is what's left. Lots of things can be made using 3D printers, from toys to teeth moulds, car parts, and even artificial limbs. And it's not just metal and plastic that can be made into 3D models. You can even make different shapes out of food. The process can be quick, easy, and sometimes even cheaper than getting things from the shops. You can customise your own design and have it ready within days. Some big manufacturing companies have been using this kind of technology for years. And now people are starting to use 3D printers at home and at school because they've become more affordable. You can get printers like this for around $1,000. Three-dimensional printing has raised some questions about copyright. Some people think manufacturers could be affected in a big way if their designs were leaked on the internet. People could download them at a click of a mouse and copy their designs, much like how people download movies and songs illegally. There are already websites out there that allow people to download 3D printer files called Physibles. A lot of them are copyright-free, but some aren't. 3D printing is definitely something we'll be seeing and hearing a lot more about in the future, and one that could add a new dimension to our lives.